This setup is a complete 100 tons per hour alluvial gold processing plant, including a vibrating feeder, trommel scrubber, centrifugal concentrator, sluice boxes, shaking table, gold smelting furnace, 2 belt conveyors, and other supporting equipment. It is a complete system that covers the entire process, from feeding raw ore to producing the final product, gold concentrates. The processing capacity of this plant can be customized according to customer requirements, such as 50 tons per hour, 100 tons per hour, 150 tons per hour, 200 tons per hour, etc. For this specific customer, the plant was designed with a capacity of 100 tons per hour. Customers' ore conditions and plant requirements. 1. Plant feeding capacity, 100 tons per hour. 2. Raw materials contain a high clay content. 3. Gold particle size distribution, approximately 50% fine gold, 0 to 6 millimeters, and 20% coarse gold, 6 to 10 millimeters. 4. Size distribution of raw materials, 50 tons per hour for 0 to 6 millimeter particles and 20 tons per hour for 6 to 10 millimeter particles. Detailed process flow. 1. Raw ore is fed into the hopper by a loader or dump truck, and then the vibrating feeder, equipped with grizzly bars with a 70 millimeter gap, feeds the raw ore smoothly into the trommel scrubber. Materials larger than 70 millimeters from the grizzly vibrating feeder are transported to a stockpile by a belt conveyor. 2. The trommel scrubber is designed with a 2-layer PU screen, mesh sizes 6 millimeters and 10 millimeters, featuring a 4-meter scrubber body and a 2-meter screen section. The scrubber body is used to wash off clay from the raw materials, and the washed materials then enter the screen section to be sieved into 3 fractions: 0 to 6 millimeters, 6 to 10 millimeters, and plus 10 millimeters. 3. Plus 10 millimeter materials from the trommel scrubber are transported to a stockpile by a belt conveyor. 4. 6 to 10 millimeter materials from the trommel scrubber flow into the sluice box, which is used to capture coarse gold particles. 5. 0 to 6 millimeter materials from the trommel scrubber are sent to the centrifugal concentrator via a slurry pump to capture fine gold. If the customer's mine site can provide a sufficiently high platform for installing the trommel scrubber, the slurry pump can be omitted, allowing the 0 to 4 millimeter materials to flow into the centrifugal concentrator by gravity. 6. Tailings from the centrifugal concentrator are sent to 2 sets of sluice boxes for further gold recovery, aiming to improve the overall gold recovery rate. 7. 0 to 2 millimeter concentrates from the centrifugal concentrator are sent to the shaking table for further separation, which helps increase the gold content in the concentrates. 8. Finally, all gold concentrates are sent to a gold smelting furnace for purification, enabling customers to obtain pure gold bars. Advantages of this flowchart. 1. High gold recovery rate. By utilizing 1 centrifugal concentrator, 3 sluice boxes, and 1 large shaking table, the plant maximizes the recovery of both fine and coarse gold, ensuring all gold particle sizes are effectively recovered. 2. Wide applicability. The plant is suitable for all types of alluvial gold ores, including high mud/clay ores, sticky clay ores, sandy ores, and more. 3. Simple operation and low maintenance requirements. 4. Low investment and quick return on investment. Furthermore, it is worth noting that, depending on the raw ore processing capacity, the sluice box can be designed with varying lengths, such as 2 meters, 4 meters, or 6 meters, and widths, such as 1 meter or 0.5 meters. The centrifugal concentrator is capable of capturing gold particles smaller than 6 millimeters. Depending on the required capacity, we can supply models such as STLB30, STLB60, STLB80, etc. The shaking table can be designed with dimensions of 2,100 millimeters length times 1,050 millimeters width, or 4,500 millimeters length times 1,850 millimeters width, or customized according to customer requests.